Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will tell you how to use coins on AliExpress. So open AliExpress application on your phone and go to whatever item that you want to order. So let me find it in my wish list. So I need to proceed to checkout page. I press Buy Now button at the bottom, then select exactly which item I want to order, tap Continue. And at my order confirmation page, which is basically checkout, I need to scroll down to summary section and find line saved. So this is saved amount of money that I have with my coins. So if I tap here, I will see that I have used 1 coin for this discount. And if I tap again, I can select an option that I don't want to use any coins this time, but of course I will use my coins. So basically, when you want to use your coins on AliExpress, as you have seen, I did absolutely nothing because AliExpress automatically deducts your coins. But one thing is that you should always look out for items that mention extra % off with coins. What I mean by that, if I go back to my item and scroll a little bit down, I can see here a line that I was talking about, extra 1% off with coins. And let me show you some other example. If I open, for example, this item and scroll down, I will not see this line. So that means that this item does not support discount using your coins. So you should always look out for items that mention that extra % off with coins. So that's basically it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more content just like this.